If your Windows 11 installation keeps failing with the error code 0xC1900101, this video will help you. In the command prompt window, type the following commands one by one, and hit Enter after each. These commands stop all update-related services, rename their folders, and restart them. This clears corrupted update data that may be causing the installation to fail. Press Windows plus R, type misconfig, and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. Now move to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your PC. This creates a clean boot environment, and that's it. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe